Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make oven roasted beets. Okay, so here I have some beets that I washed and dried really good. You can use any size or any color beets you like, it's up to you. To roast them in the oven, I like to individually wrap each one with aluminum foil. And there's no right or wrong way to do this, you just want to make sure it's sealed so the steam doesn't come out. I love beets. I could eat beets every day. Let me know in the comments below what's your favorite way to eat beets. Put them on a baking sheet and bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Let them cool off a bit before you handle them. When it comes to peeling the beets, I like to wear some gloves because it will stain your fingers and it will stain your clothes, so don't wear anything white or anything that you don't want to stain when handling this. The way I like to do it is just cut off the end and then peel it, and the skin will just slide right off. You can even use a paper towel and just rub it off, but I just use my knife to peel it. What I like to do is just cook up my beets and slice it up and keep it in the fridge, and every day I just take some out and eat it. And I also like the taste of beets. To me it tastes like corn. I don't know if other people think that way, but to me it tastes like I'm eating corn. My hubby says it tastes like dirt. He don't like it, but I love it. Okay, now that I peeled all of them, I'm going to slice them up. And that's the way I like to do it, but if you don't want to slice it, you can cut it to however you want. It's up to you. But this is what I like. I like to do this part while I'm wearing my gloves. That way I don't have to get my fingers dirty. And then I'm going to put it in a container that I'm going to store it in the fridge. You want to let this cool off before you cover it and put it in the fridge. And that's it, you guys, the easiest way to prepare your beets. Now I have my beets ready for the whole week. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.